Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install printer without DVD drivers. Some people would like to connect the local or network printer to their computer. Typically, every printer comes with driver software, but if they don't have a printer driver, then you will not connect the printer. In this situation, how they can connect the printer without DVD drivers? Let's learn how you can do this. In your computer, you have to go to Control panel, then you have to click on the device and printers. In the printer section, some devices by default installed. If you would like to connect your local printer or network printer, then you have to click on the add printer. This will be scanned for your printer device. While scan this, your printer must be turned on. If not scanned for the device, then you have to click on the printer that I want isn't listed. Click on this link. Then you have to select the add local printer or network printer. Then you have to click on the next. Use the existing port. Then you have to click on the next. Then you have to select the manufacturer. You have to select your printer model that listed here. When you connect the port, it will be listed here. Select the printer and click on the next. Use the driver that is currently installed. Then you have to click on the next. The printer name by default will be displayed. You can change as you need. Then you have to click on the next. That's it. Your printer has been successfully installed. You can also click on the print a test page or finish the installation. Now you can check it out. New printer has been installed in your computer. So whenever you are going to print, this printer will be displayed in your print list. You can check it out. The installed printer has been listed here. So in this way, you can install the printer without DVD drivers. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.